Good afternoon, dear students. Class 8. We are at chapter number 4, Cube and Cubes. First, we go through the understanding concepts, and then we go to the learning modules, introduction part. And in the introduction part, first we have a storytelling type procedure. On Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Prachi plucked some flowers, and number of flowers plucked by her in from the garden are shown in the tabular form also. On Sunday, 1 into 1 into 1. On Monday, 8. Tuesday, 27. Sunday is the first day, and cube of 1 is 1 into 1 into 1 block. Monday is the second day, and cube of 2 is 2 into 2 into 2, 8. So on Monday she plucked 8 flowers from the garden. On Tuesday, 27, and so on. 27 is the cube of 3. Where the number of flowers plucked is equal to the 3 times multiplication of the sequence of the day. 3 times multiplication of sequence, and the 3 times multiplication of any number in repeated form is called cube of that number. Now we are coming to the definition of the cube, perfect cube, and we will learn some interesting patterns about cube and prime factorizations of cube and smallest multiple forming a perfect cube. First we go to the meaning of the cube. First we observe some figures which are cubical in shape, just like the dice, just like this box. These three-dimensional figures are cubical in shapes, and the one side of this cube is equal to the cube root of the whole volume of that solid shape. Can we guess how many cubes of side 1 unit will make? Cube of side 2 unit? Let us see. 2 units, 2 units, 2 units, 2 into 2 into 2, which is 8. So, in a cube of size 2 units, there will be 8 cubes of the size 1 unit. So, there will be 8 cubes. Now, guess how many cubes of size 1 unit will be there in the cube of size 3 units? In the size of 3 units, there will be 27 cubes. Here it is shown to you. 3 along the length, 3 along the height, 3 along the breadth, 3 into 3 into 3, which is 27. So there are 27 unit cube. 1 unit cube means cube of side 1 unit. In a big cube of side 3 units. 4 units, it will be 4 into 4 into 4. 64 means there will be 64 cubes of side 1 unit in a big cube of side 4 units. So our answer will be 64. This is the solution for that answer. How we get the answer 64? 4 into 4 into 4, 60. On to next part. When we multiply a number 3 times with itself, this is the definition of cube. When we multiply any number 3 times with itself, we call it the cube of that number. Let us calculate the cube of first 10 number. Cube of 1. 1 is 1 into 1 into 1. Cube of 3. 3 into 3 into 3, 27. Cube of 5, 5 into 5 into 5, 125. Cube of 7, 7 into 7 into 7, 343. And cube of 9, that will be 841. Then cube of 2, 8. Cube of 4, 64. Cube of 6, 256. Cube of 8, 512. Cube of 10, 1000. Let us see their answers. Cube of numbers from 1 to 10 in sequence order is shown here. This is now cube of 4, 64, cube of 5, 125, and then cube of 6 will be 216. Cube of 7 will be 343. Cube of 8, 512. Cube of 9, 729. Cube of 10, 1000. So in this way, these are the cubes of first 10 natural numbers shown here in the box. Weekday sequence that was already given, that is cube. Now, how many flowers she will pluck on Wednesday? That will be cube of 4, which is 64. Means we can find out the answer for other days also if she is plucking the flowers in the same pattern in cubing. A number n is a perfect cube if n is equal to m power 3, where m is an integer. These are the cubes of first 5 natural numbers shown here in this tabular form. In a bag, the number of apples is a perfect cube of the number of apples drawn from it. If 3 apples are drawn, how many apples were there in the bag? In the bag there were 3 cubes, means 3 into 3 into 3, 27 apples were there. Let us see the answer. The total number of apples in the bag was 27. 3 into 3 into 3. Go to the next part. Now something more about cubes. There are only 10 perfect cubes from 1 to 1000. And these are 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216, 343, 512, 729 and 1000 shown in red color. So these are perfect cubes of first 10 natural numbers. In even number, cube of 12 is 1728, cube of 14 2744, cube of 16 and further also. These are the cube of odd numbers. Cube of even number is even and cube of odd number is all odd. This is shown here. Cube of 11, 11 is odd and 1331 is also odd. 13 is odd number, its cube 2197, this is also odd. So this is a very simple rule that cube of even numbers are always even and cube of odd numbers are always odd. One digit of a number now these are the digits of the cubical numbers. First is 1, second is 4, and if there is 5, then in its cube the unit place digit will be 5. These are the unit place digit. These are the unit place digit of the given number, and these are the unit place digit of its perfect cube. If we have 6, its perfect cube will also have the 6 in its unit space. 9 for 9. So So these are the digits which are same 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9 for their perfect cube also. So these unit digits are same. Go to the next part. For 2 it is 8, for 3 it will be 7, for 7 it will be 3 and for 8 it will be 2. Very interesting thing is their sum is 10. 2 plus 8 10, 3 plus 7 10, 7 plus 3 10, 8 plus 2 10, and by this sum you can remember that which digit will be at its unit place in the perfect cube of a given number. For 3 it will be 7 at its unit place. Find the ones digit of the cube of number 1, 3, 4, 5. For 5 we have 5, same. For 1 also same. For 2 we have 8. And for 8 we have 2. Let us see the answer. For 5, 1, 2 and 8. 1, 5, 2 and 8. So here we have to select the correct option. Here it will be 5 for first place, and at the second place it will be 1, and then at the third place it will be 8. 5, 1, 8 and at last 2. So D part is the correct option. Since one's digit of the number 1045 is 5. So one's digit of the cube of the number is also 5. Since one's digit of the number 13,221 is 1. So the one's digit of the cube of the number is also 1. In the same way for 172 and 1,678 also. For 8 it will be 2 and for 2 it will be 8. Addition of the consecutive odd numbers gives the pattern of cubes of consecutive numbers. There are the patterns of cubical numbers. 1 cube, then 3 plus 5, these are the next odd number, which is 8, that is 2 cube. Then next odd number 7, 9 and 11, 3 odd numbers are added, then 3 cube. Then 4 odd number, 4 next odd numbers are added, 13, 14, 15, 17, 19, that will give 4 cube, 64. Then 5 next odd numbers are added and we get 125, 5 cube. And then when we add the 6 next odd numbers, we will get the sum 6 cube, which will be 260. There is one more interesting pattern. 2 cube minus 1 cube is equal to, these are the consecutive number, difference of the 2 cubical numbers which are consecutive. Consecutive means just one after the other. 2 and 1, 3 and 2, 4, 3, 5, 4. And their difference is 1 plus 2 into 1 into 3. 1 plus 3 into 2 into 3. This 3 will remain same, 1 will remain same, and here we are moving from 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here 1, 2, 3. And in this way we can get the difference of the 2 consecutive cubical numbers in a short way using this pattern, and the formula for the pattern is 1 plus n plus 1 into n into 3. Here, let us see the example. Here n is 4, n plus 1 is 5. So 1 plus 5 into 4 into 2. Prime factorization of A21, and when you multiply 8 into 8 into 8, you get 512. These are the cubes of A21 and 26. And when we prime factorize 512, we get the triplets of the 3 triplets of the number 2. So we multiply 2 by 3 times 2 into 2 into 2, and that will be the cube root of that number. So 8 is the cube root of 512 and 512 is the cube of 8. In the same way, cube of 21 is 9261 and cube root of 9261 is 21. Next is 26 cube. Cube of 26 is shown here by multiplication of 2 into 2 into 2 into 13, 13, 13, and then we multiply them, we get 17,576, which is the cube of 26, and cube root of 17,576 is 26. Prime factorization of 2744. This is the prime factorization process. First this is divided by 2, we get 1372, then 686, then 343, and here it is not divisible by 2, 3 or 5, we move to 7, then we divide it by 7, we get 49, again we divide by 7, we get 7, at last again we divide by 7, we get 1. So it means we get the complete triplets, and when we get the complete triplets, it means it is a perfect cube. Thanks. Now we are at the next topic, cube roots. First we will go through the meaning of cube root. Here there is a cube of the volume 125 centimeter. The volume, there is a formula to calculate the volume of the cube, and the formula is side cube. So B cube, B is the side, is 125, and now we have to find out the value of B, which will be the cube root of 125. Now it will be calculated because 5 into 5 into 5 is 125. So cube root of 125 is 5. Actually, when we factorize the cube of a number, then we make the triplets, set of 3s, and we multiply for each set only one time, and then we get the cube root of the given number. Let us go to the example sum. A number which produces a particular value when multiplied thrice by itself is called cube root. A is the cube root of a cube. 2 is the cube root of 8. 8 is the cube of 2 like this. These are cube and these are cube roots shown by arrow here. A cube root is also shown by putting this sign. This is a symbol for cube root. Small 3 is written with the at the square root sign. So this is known as cube root. How it is used, let us see. This is known as cube root, and cube root A. If B is the cube root of a number A, it means that B multiply B is equal to A. B power 3 is A. So B is equal to cube root A. So this symbol is for cube root. Cube root of 27, 3. Cube root of, because 27 is 3 power 3. These are the reasons. Cube root of 2197 is 13 because 2197 is 13 cube. Then next is 42,875 and its cube root is 35. Reason because 42,875 is the cube of 35. Find the cube root of 9261 prime factorization. This is a question. How we find the cube root using prime factorization method. This is the prime factorization method, factorized by 3, and when we complete to factorize it, we get the two triplets. First triplet of 3, second of 7. So we multiply 3 and 7, we get 21. So 21 is the cube root of 9261. 21 is the cube root. This is the cube. We take only once for every triplet. Cube root of 29,24,270 is 143. Is the given statement correct? Here the 3 digits we are having, and here we are having 2 plus 2 plus 2, 7 digits. So it is false. Let's see. Cube root is calculated by the prime factorization method, and first triplet is for 11, second is for 13, and 11 multiplied 13 is 143. So it is true statement. Now we come to the next topic, and that is calculating the cube root by estimation. Earlier we have studied by prime factorization, and now we are going through the next method, which is estimation method. We are going to find out the cube root of 6,14,125. Okay. We first take the last 3 digits, that will form a first group, and remaining digit will form a second group. So first we have to form the 2 groups. Then we will find the digits for every group. For 125, last digit is 5, and its cube root also will have last digit 5. So the unit place digit of the cube root of the number will be 5. Now we will see where 614 lies in the list of perfect cube numbers. When we go to the perfect cube numbers, 614 lies between 512 and 729. 512 is 8 cube and 729 is 90. And then we will come to know that for which it is closer. So here it is closer for 512. So 10's place digit will be 8. So by estimation, the cube root of the given number 6,14,125 will be 85. One more example, 13,824. Again we will find out with the help of estimation. We will make 2 groups, last digit and remaining digits. Last digits 8, 2 and 4, which gives us the unit place digit 4. Now we will come to the remaining part, 13, and we will see between which 2 perfect cube 13 lies. Here 13 lies between 8 and 27. 8 is 2 cube and 27 is 3. Now we will see for which it is closer. We will see that it is closer to 2. So at 10th place we will have 2. So our cube root will be 24. Cube is a 3-dimensional figure. This is a 3-dimensional figure. Dimensions are length, breadth, height. These are known as dimensions. And it has 6 square faces: front, back, up, down, right and left. And 8 unit cubes are required to make a cube of 2 units. 27 unit cubes are required to make a cube of size 3 units. A number n is a perfect cube if n equal to n cube, where n is an integer. Any number is a perfect cube when it is making the complete triplets of its prime factorization. Here you will take some example, 1 to 1000. For every number you will find that on prime factorization you will have a triplet complete